Good morning and welcome once again, class 7, chapter number 8. Today we are going to start the remaining part of the topics, the King's Minister, from page number 65. Let's begin. He turned to the camel and said, he means here the lion, turned to the camel and said, friend, I must thank you for saving my life. You are welcome to live with me in my forest as long as you like. Actually, the lion turned to the camel and said, friend, you become my friend and you can live with me in my forest as long as you like. I promise you my protection. Okay. The ministers were shocked to hear this. The ministers means here the three, the crow, the fox and the leopard. All this time they had been longing to eat its meat, but they said nothing as they were afraid of the king. Actually, the three ministers wanted to eat the camel's meat. Okay? When the lion said to the camel to live with him, at that time their dream, they feel nothing. Okay, and they were afraid of the king. The lion too was feeling very hungry, but his paws were badly burnt, so he couldn't go to hunt by himself. Oh fox, leopard and crow, he said, don't you see I am tired and hungry? Go at once and get me some food. Actually, what happened, when the lion was actually very tired after a long journey of the desert, and he said to the fox, crow and leopard to bring him some food. Okay, the minister had to obey the king, so they went, but not very far. They sat down under a tree to discuss what to do. The fox came up with a clever plan. The others readily agreed to it, and back they went to the king. Okay? And bowing low, the crow stepped forward fast and said, Your Majesty, your king, he said, we are sorry that we haven't found no food. We have found no food, but we cannot let you stray. Your stray means without food or hungry like this. I am your most faithful servant and you can eat me. It will be my pleasure if I can satisfy your hunger. Actually, first step forward the crow and said, Your Majesty, I am your loyal servant and let me eat if I can satisfy your hungry. Okay, then the fox said, O king, please eat me first. I have more flesh than crow. I pray that you eat me and satisfy your hunger. After listening this, the leopard rushed in and said, I am even bigger, and said, I am even bigger, your majesty. You can eat me first. Eat me first. The camel was deeply moved by the loyalty shown by the ministers. He too thought that it was his duty to offer himself as food to the king. Then the leopard rushed in. जब leopard बोला कि मेरे को भी आप खाइए, कि मेरा मीट ज़्यादा है इन दोनों में से, क्रो और फॉक्स के तुलना में, तब क्या हुआ, ये सब बात वो कैमल सुन रहा था. तो कैमल भी बोला, कैमल भी सोचने लगा कि मैं भी शायद ऑफर करूं किंग को मेरे को खाने के लिए. द कैमल वॉज डीपली मूव्ड बाय द लॉयल्टी शोन बाय द थ्री मिनिस्टर्स. ही टू थॉट दैट इट वॉज हिज ड्यूटी टू ऑफर हिमसेल्फ एज फूड टू द किंग. ही सेड, योर मैजेस्टी, these three ministers of yours can be so helpful for you. Therefore, I pray that you to eat me instead. Actually, he offered himself, the camel offered himself to the king to eat the camel, okay, instead of them. Here instead of them means the three ministers. Okay. Hardly had the camel spoken these words, then the three ministers got ready to pounce him. Actually, when the camel offered himself as a food to the king lion, at that time the three ministers were ready to attack him. Okay, because they wanted to eat the camel's meat. Actually, they wanted to taste the camel's meat, but the lion stopped them immediately and said, you are all so true and faithful to me. I am deeply touched by your offers, and I accept them all. The lion said finally, I accept them all what you had offered me. I shall eat all of you, but in one condition, in the same order in which you offered yourself. और बोला लायन कि आप जैसे जैसे ऑर्डरली मेरे को ऑफर किए हो मैं उसी तरह आप लोगों को खाऊंगा. ठीक है. The three ministers looked at each other. There was not a moment to lose. Away flew the crow. First flew away the crow, and then ran away the fox, and fled away the leopard. All the three ministers had gone away suddenly. They disappeared. Okay. For the very moment, the lion had a hearty laugh. After seeing this, the lion had a hearty laugh. He turned to the camel and said, you have proved to be my most loving and loyal friend. You shall live with me all your life. No harm shall ever come to you because I protect you. The whole life, the two lived happily together. In this way, in the last point, in this way, the camel had won the lion's heart and he became a friend forever. Okay? This much, and the question answer will be sent soon in my next period. Thank you.